Good morning, my dear students. I am Jerry Wheeler and I am going to teach you about economics. And today's our topic is basic aggregates of national income. So, in our last topic, we have learned about types of products in economy, and today we are going to learn about basic aggregates of national income, which is very important to learn and to understand before calculating national income. So, let's move. So, to learn the topic gross value, net value, and depreciation. So, before this, just I want to explain this concept with the help of one example. 2 years back, I have purchased my mobile OnePlus 3T in 2018, you can say, and that time its cost is how much rupees? 30,000, 30,000. Now, if today in 2020 I want to sell my this mobile, so what do you think? I can get rupees 30,000 for this? No, now it is become second hand. Okay, and I have even used 2 years, so its value will depreciate. Depreciate means its value will reduce, because I have purchased in 2018 for rupees to 30,000, but I can't sell this mobile again for rupees 30,000, because now it becomes old, so its value will reduced. So today I can, if I want to sell this, suppose that my friend needed a mobile, second mobile, and he contact to me that I want to purchase a second mobile, so I can suggest him that I also want to sell my old mobile. So I can tell him, okay, you can purchase my mobile, that is OnePlus 3T. So he can see this and he can check my mobile, and then he agree to purchase my mobile at rupees how much? 18,000. Just check properly here. I am focusing on this. 2 years back, how much? 30,000. That is purchasing value. Okay, at 30,000 I have purchased this mobile. So this purchasing value is called gross value. What is gross value? The purchasing value, you can say the value of the commodity at the time of purchase is known as gross value. Now I am selling it at how much rupees after 2 years? 18,000. That my old mobile I am selling at rupees how much? 18,000. I can't sell it at more value. Okay, it is not new mobile now. Okay, so now in today's now in the present, you can say the actual value of the commodity is known as its net value. What we called it? Net value. What is called? Net value. Okay, why it is 18,000 now? Earlier I have purchased 30,000, but now I am selling it at 18,000 at lesser value, because its value reduced. How much? From 30,000 we can subtract this present value 18,000, so what we get? 12,000. That is the reduction which comes in its value, and this reduction is only known as depreciation. So I hope it is clear to you. Gross value, depreciation, and net value. Gross value means purchasing value, net value means current value, or you can say present value, and depreciation means reduction which comes in the value. Okay, so you can see here gross, net, and depreciation. How this depreciation we have found out? By subtracting net value from the gross value. Just see this one. Gross value minus depreciation equals to how much? Net value. So gross value which I have purchased mobile in earlier 2018, I have purchased mobile at how much rupees? 30,000. So from that 30,000 I have subtract how much? 12,000. So what comes? 18,000. So it becomes a formula, that is gross value minus depreciation equals to net value. It is a basic formula. Okay, this is the first formula for the national income. From the same formula we can find out more thing also. Suppose that we are given depreciation and net value, and we have to find gross value. So what we should do? Just check here. We are given depreciation and net value, and we have to find gross value. So what we can do? We can add depreciation in net value. What we can do? We can add depreciation in net value. 12,000 plus 18,000, it becomes 30,000. That is gross value only. So from the first formula is what? Gross value and about net value. From these two terms we have found our first formula for national income. I hope it is clear to you. Just see here, gross value and downside net value. If we are having gross value, and from that if we subtract what? Depreciation. If we subtract depreciation, so what we will get? Net value. Just see the arrow shows downside. So gross value minus depreciation, it becomes net value. And suppose we are having net value. Suppose we are having net value, and from net value, if we add depreciation in net value, so what we will get? Gross value. So this becomes our formula, that gross value minus depreciation equals to net value, and net value plus depreciation equals to gross value. Now very important thing, that in the questions many times they are giving depreciation from others names. Just you have to learn these names. Depreciation is also known as what are the other names of depreciation? It is current replacement cost. So in question it can come from the name of current replacement cost, and other names are replacement cost of fixed capital factors. This is also depreciation only. Capital consumption allowance, this is also called depreciation only. Consumption of fixed capital, this is the very common term which come in questions in the place of depreciation. These all are the names of depreciation only. So I hope it is clear to you. There are some definitions. I hope it is already clear to you. Gross value, what is gross value? The value of the commodity at the time of purchase, known as gross value. Net value, the present, or you can say actual value. And what is depreciation? The difference between the gross and net value is called depreciation. Examples I have already given, you can note down also. I hope it is clear to you. Thank you, class.